Tripaloski, 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 tripaloski.
Ini nggak ikut ya?
Adidas Krasovki, Adidas Krasovki. Tripaloski.
Can you turn up the music, please? Thank you. Hi, welcome back again with me, Kak Eja. Okay, right, in this video I just gonna sharing story again to you guys. Yeah, we just gonna share and talking about my story. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna telling you about the best experience in my life. Yeah, I had many experience in my life, but the one of the best experience is first time I'm winning basketball contest. Wow. Not absolutely basketball contest, it's just 3-point contest. Yeah. Basketball contest with 3-point. I'm winning in the first place. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah. Why I'm saying amazing? Because every time I'm playing basketball with my team on my high school, we never getting to win. That is, yeah, when I heard there's some contest, that is 3-point contest, so I'm listening with my ear and wow, this is my time. I think this time I'm go on. And then yeah, I'm following that contest and I get the first place.
Boom, kena sampai. Satu, lagi ja. Mereja. Semangat ja. Luput nah. Yang enggak luput juga. Wah, lagi ja, satu lagi ja. Cepat ja. Mandul, biasa mandul, nervous loh. Boom. Oh, lagi ja. 1, 2, 3. One. Lagi. In. Oh my god, keren ja sudah.
Yeah, that is the moment. I'm so thankful for my friend Wulan because he recording this video for me, and my another friend, his name is Rubiati. Thank you so much. That is the best moment of my life. And what I got in that contest is I just got I got shoes. I got these shoes, and then what a second, I got I got this. What? I got this trophy. Wanna see this trophy? For the first time, I got my first trophy in my life, dude. Yeah, I just got this my trophy for first time. I got a trophy. That is the best moment that I can share to you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and share to your friend. With me, Kak Eja. Be humble and stay creative.